keys to the ignition and step on the gas. Let's go.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Let's Go JA Tours. And today we're going to be driving along one of Kingston's most busiest and important road, and that is Oxford Road. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. On our left hand side, we'll be passing the Emancipation Park, and this is technically just off Oxford Road. It's on Oxford Boulevard and where Oxford Road meet. But this is one of Kingston's most iconic public spaces. It's great for walks, photos, and if you just want to chill with your family, this is a wonderful park for you to be at. Also, if you're working in Oxford Road, or if you ever worked on Oxford Road, you know that it is one of Jamaica's major business district, this area right here, where finances, banks, things to do with the government and tech all meet here, right? So this is a very important road. It's very busy when it comes on to early morning and in the afternoon. So on our right hand side, you will see a lot of car showrooms. So on our right, you see Hyundai, and then you will see ATL shortly after, with the Kia and Audi and other companies. You see me try to highlight this new building that is being built on Belmont Avenue. I don't know what it is, but it's a new building that looks beautiful. But it goes to show that Jamaica is continually being developed with more high-rise in buildings and more companies and more apartment complexes being built in this area. A fun fact: Oxford Road used to be a more residential area back in the day, but over time, as well as the rise of the new Kingston era in the 1960s and the 1970s, it is now transformed into a modern, urban and fast-paced environment, which you see a lot of companies are moving their offices here. Also, the two of Jamaican's most best hotel is located right off Oxford Road, which is Jamaica Pegasus and the Courtly Hotel. So it's a nice spot for a lot of tourists and business travelers alike. And as you can see, it's a very short road. Our trip is almost finished. At our left hand side, you see the atriums. It's two twin building here. It's not the atriums, the two NTB towers, sorry. NTB towers, and then to our right is Mayberry Investment. And we're basically at the end of Oxford. It's a very short trip, but I'm glad that I could take you on this trip. So guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.